Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Good morning. I'm at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and I'm going to be staying at Kidani Village, and I'm going to be talking about whether the Savannah room is worth the extra points or the extra money. So my question was, is it worth getting a Savannah room? We'll look at the numbers here in a second of the difference between the two, but the deluxe studio is basically the same whether you have a Savannah room or not. The difference is what you see outside of your balcony. Now that could mean everything to you. But if you're coming here more just to stay, both have a microwave and a toaster and a Keurig, and we have a refrigerator, so we don't have a freezer, and a sink, and all the little amenities. Probably have the utensils up here and plates and bowls for breakfast, and the bed, and then that's another bed. That's the Murphy bed that pulls down. Yeah. And you are welcome. And a closet here, which has your extra blanket and pillows, and that's usually for the Murphy bed too. And then some extra supplies because this is a DVC room. And your laundry basket. The laundry is downstairs because it's a deluxe studio, so you don't have one in unit. And beautiful, beautiful Murphy bed. So this is an upgraded room. Um, an updated one from the old one that used to just have a pull-out sofa. So this is much nicer, very comfortable bed. I've slept on it many, many times. So you have a table here and two chairs. We go around, sit there and eat. And this is what you're paying for, is being able to look out onto the savannah and see some animals. Now it is noon, so you might not see much. Let's take a look. So you have a nice little place to sit out here and look at the animals. I'm not seeing any, and this is the heat of the day. It's currently 87 degrees out. It's going to get up to 90. So, I see some. That looks like a wildebeest way down there. So, see if I can zoom in and take a picture of that. Now you'll see way out there in the distance, there's a giraffe getting ready to walk by in the shade there. It's actually a good room because I believe that's where they go at night. So they'll be coming out in the morning, traveling along this savannah, walking along here, and should get a real nice view of animals. We'll look at that when it's a little bit cooler. Of course, you don't need a Savannah view to see animals during your stay at Kidani Village or Jambo House. If you watched my last video, I got to watch the animals during my breakfast at one of my favorite quick service restaurants, the Mara. But it is pretty cool to sit out here with your morning coffee or tea and watch a giraffe walk by. Let's look at the cost so you can decide. If you watch some of previous DVC videos, you'll remember that I recently bought 30 points direct from Disney Vacation Club so I can stay a night or two at Fort Wilderness Cabins, the Riviera, and other restricted properties like the upcoming Lakeshore Lodge. I have 90 points that I bought for very little on the resale market. My dues are high for the cabins because there are so few owners to split costs, but pretty low for Saratoga Springs, so I average them and consider that my annual dues cost me $10 a point. That helps me figure out the cost of a night's stay. I don't consider any more the upfront costs of any of my contracts because based on the pricing on resale sites, I can recoup those anytime I want. Looking at the points chart, a Resort View Deluxe Studio when I stayed costs 14 points, and a Savannah View is 17. That is 3 points a night, times 3 nights, or 9 points, which has a cost of only $90. That might not seem to matter to you if you have hundreds of points. But for me, those 9 points mean a night's stay at a few different resorts when I like to vacation, which is September. If you're not a DVC member and not a pass holder or Florida resident with all our discounts, the total additional cost is $375 for a 3-night stay. Now we're talking decision time. If you spend a lot of mornings in your room or sunsets and love to watch animals, then I'd say, yes, it is worth it. But if your room is merely a place to sleep and shower, then there are so many places in the resort to watch the animals. Be sure and watch my breakfast with a giraffe video to see. If you're trying to decide between booking a room at Kidani Village or Jambo House, make sure you watch that video to compare those two choices. For me, there is nothing better than sitting out on my patio in the morning and watching the animals at sunrise until everyone else wakes up and is ready to start their day. I have been hiding my book, The Amazing Animals of Disney's Animal Kingdom, also published as A Walking Tour of Disney's Zoo, all around Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, and in the Animal Kingdom too, as part of book crossing. If you've never heard of it, book crossing is the act of releasing your books into the wild for a stranger to find, or via controlled release to another book crossing member, and tracking where they go via journal entries from around the world. This community of over 1.2 million passionate, generous book lovers is changing the world and touching lives, one traveling book at a time.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.